Hey there everyone, welcome back to Highway 49 RC. My name is Erica. Today we have another Crawl for a Cure preparation build video coming out for you guys. If you guys don't know what Crawl for a Cure is, it's essentially an RC rock crawling event slash competition that supports the American Cancer Society. It's an awesome event, people there are great, and if you're in California in the area, then I highly suggest you go and check out that event. So, last time we built up this brand new front axle, complete with vanquish C's and knuckles, incision lockers, Avid bearings, and an SSDRC titanium steering linkage here. Today I'm not going to be going in as in-depth as I did with the front axle here, because I'm not doing much really. I'm basically going to be doing the rear axle and the transmission. All I'm going to be doing there in the rear axle, I'm literally just going to be putting in new gears and another incision locker, which you saw me do in the first video, so if you want to see how to do that, you can go check that out. And then the transmission, I'm literally just tearing it down and replacing bearings. So, I'm basically just going to do a time lapse, so I'm going to put music on for you guys, and you guys can watch me just work away. Shouldn't take me too long, but I figured I would just do it in one go because it'll be easier for me. It'll be less tedious for you guys to watch, and it'll just kind of help us get moving along in our preparation for Crawl for a Cure 2019. So, let me set up my time-lapse camera, and let's get started. Alright guys, so now that the main building is over, I can go over what exactly I did, because obviously I didn't tell you everything I was going to do because I forgot that I had some parts that I did. So, for the transmission here, we've got a Yeah Racing transmission case housing piece, and you cannot really see it, but actually you can, right there. That is also a Yeah Racing motor plate that I put on. I thought, you know what? Quick teaser here, my shock hoops that I got are also by Yeah Racing, and they are also this color blue. I thought, you know what, it would be pretty good to get a transmission case to kind of tie it all in, you know? And actually what got me to buy it was the other was like the pictures of the shock hoops that they had. So good marketing, you guys. You made me buy it. So that's the transmission. Just replace the bearings. So I have incision steel gears inside this transmission, and the center idler gear actually came with larger bearings than is stock. So I actually had to keep the bearings that I had in there, which would be the ones that would have come with the gears, because the incision gears did come with bearings. So I just left those in there because I would have needed, well, okay, so basically the size that is stock in there is a different size than I needed, and whatever, you get the idea. So that's it for the tranny. Just tore it down, bearings, grease, and all that good stuff, and should be pretty good. The only thing I noticed is that the bearings slide in their seats a little bit. I'm like not complaining that they slide, but I'm complaining about the amount that they do slide a little bit, which, it's alright, whatever. So, axle housing. All I did was put in the incision locker, like I said, redo the bearings, put in the underdrive gears, greased it, cleaned out this housing, because this is a housing that I have used or have been using, and it needed it. It was very dirty inside there. But this upper link mount here is a Gearhead RC link mount. I figured I'd get that to kind of stiffen up the back suspension some, because it did need it. The plastic one was flexing quite a lot. And of course the Vanquish lockouts on either side. So there we go. We've got the front axle, we've got the transmission, and the rear axle all taken care of, all built up, ready to go for the crawl in October. All decked out with their blue upgrades and bearings and serviced, because this thing honestly has not been serviced in quite a while now. So thank you guys so much for watching. That'll be it for me. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and make sure you click that bell button so that you get notified of the next videos that we'll be doing. As I hinted earlier, shock hoops, maybe some shocks, I don't know. You guys have to click that bell button, get notified, and stay tuned. So thank you again so much for watching. I hope to see you all out at Crawl for a Cure. Also leave a comment if you are going, and I will try and look for you. So thank you again so much, you guys, for watching, and have a great day.